Hi, Jack. Today is day 2 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Wow, Anna, I'm excited. What is today's topic?
Today's topic is shopping at the mall. We will practice how to talk about shopping, clothes, and asking for prices.
Shopping? Uh-huh. I'm not very good at shopping.
Don't worry, I will help you. We will practice simple English, step by step.
Friends, you can join us too. Speak with us every day. Support our journey and our channel. Please like and subscribe to stay with us. And now, let's go.
Jack, do you like shopping?
Sometimes. But only when I'm not tired.
I understand. Shopping can be fun or very long.
Yes. My legs get tired so fast.
But come on, shopping is not only walking. It's also looking at nice clothes.
True. And sometimes eating ice cream in the mall.
Now I see. You go shopping only for the food.
Exactly. Food first, clothes second.
What about shoes? Do you enjoy buying shoes?
Shoes are okay if they are comfortable.
So your shopping style is fast, simple, and safe.
Yes, and your style is slow, happy, and colorful.
You know me so well.
Of course, you always look excited in a shop.
That's because shopping feels like a little adventure.
Maybe today will be an adventure too.
Jack, look around. We are in a big shopping mall now.
Wow, so many shops, so many lights.
Yes, it's busy and colorful. Can you hear the music?
Yeah, and I smell food already. Maybe from the food court.
Jack. You always think about food first.
Of course, food makes shopping better.
All right. But today's mission is not food, it's clothes.
Okay. What do you want to buy?
Maybe a new t-shirt. What about you?
I need new shoes. My old ones are very old.
Perfect. So today's challenge is shopping at the mall. We will practice how to ask for sizes, colors, and prices.
Sounds good. But Anna, what if I say something wrong?
Don't worry. Mistakes are normal. I will help you, and our friends will practice with us.
Yes. Friends, you are with us in this mall. Practice together with us.
All right. Let's start shopping. Jack, what do you want to buy today?
I want to buy a new shoes.
Oops, almost. Not the new shoes. Say new shoes.
I want to buy new shoes.
Great. Let's find your shoes.
Anna, do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I love shopping for clothes. It makes me feel happy.
And rich. Haha.
No, Jack. Only happy, not rich. Jack, what color do you like for clothes?
I like color blue.
Almost. Say, I like blue.
I like blue.
Nice. Blue is safe, like jeans every day.
Anna, what is your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Zara.
Oh no. Expensive shop.
But beautiful clothes. I want to look like a princess. Jack, how much are these jeans?
They is $50.
Careful. Say, they are $50?
They are $50.
Good. But too expensive for Jack's wallet.
Anna, how much is this dress?
It is $30. Good question.
$30? Anna, you will look like a queen.
No, Jack. Like a princess. Thank you. Jack, do you pay with cash or card?
I pay with card.
Correct. You can also say, I pay by card.
I pay by card. If I still have money. Anna, do you like shopping alone or with friends?
I like shopping with friends.
Of course, because friends can carry your bags.
Jack! Yes, please carry my bags. Jack, try this. I need a bigger size.
I need big size.
Not bad, but more natural. I need a bigger size.
I need a bigger size.
Good. 'Cause this t-shirt is too small for your muscles.
Anna, can you say, I want to try this shirt?
Sure. I want to try this shirt.
Okay, I will try one too.
Jack, you look like a cute old grandpa.
Really? Oh no, I need a smaller size.
Jack, do you know this word? Discount.
Not really.
Discount means lower price. Example, this t-shirt is 20% off.
Ah, I love discounts. My wallet says thank you. Anna, can I say I want cheap price?
Not natural. Say, I want a good price.
I want a good price.
Perfect. Everyone wants a good price, right, friends? Jack, can you ask me? Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Yes, go to the fitting room. Oh, wow, Jack. Now you look like a Hawaiian dancer.
Okay, not my style. Anna, how do you say Fong Tu Jo in English?
It's fitting room.
Fitting room.
Good. And now I go in. Wow, look at me. I'm a princess.
Yes, princess of shopping.
Jack, say this. I don't have enough money.
I don't have enough money.
Perfect. That is Jack's favorite sentence.
True, because Anna buys too much.
Friends, are you speaking with us? These are real sentences you can use when shopping. Practice with us.
Yes, remember, mistakes are normal. Don't be afraid.
Now, let's do shadowing practice together.
Excuse me, where is the clothing store, please?
Go straight, then turn right. It's next to the cafe.
Wow, this shop looks nice. Can we go inside?
Sure, let's check it out. I like the window display.
Do you like this red jacket? It looks cool.
Yes, but maybe it's too bright. I prefer blue.
Excuse me, do you have this t-shirt in size M?
Let me check. Yes, here it is. Please try it.
Where is the fitting room? I want to try this shirt.
Over there, behind the mirror. Just wait in line.
Does this dress look okay on me? Be honest.
Yes, it looks nice, but maybe a little long.
Excuse me, is this pair of jeans on sale?
Yes, 20% off today. The price is very good.
How much is this jacket? Can you tell me?
It's $45, but we have a discount coupon.
Is there a cheaper option? This is too expensive.
Yes, that one on the left. It's only $25.
Do you take credit cards here or only cash?
Yes, we accept both. Credit card is more common.
Can I return this item if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 7 days. Please keep your receipt.
Excuse me, where are the shoes? I can't find them.
They're upstairs on the second floor, near the bags.
These sneakers look nice. Do you have size 40?
Sorry, sold out. But we have size 41 instead.
Can I try these shoes? They look really comfortable.
Of course, sit here. I'll bring them in your size.
Do you think these shoes match my jeans?
Yes, they look good together. The colors fit well.
How much are these sneakers? They look expensive.
They're $60, but today only $45 with discount.
Excuse me, do you have any bags on sale?
Yes, those handbags over there. They're half price now.
Should we buy this one? The price is not bad.
Yes, let's take it. We can use it often.
Where is the cashier? I think it's time to pay.
At the front, next to the entrance. Let's go.
Thank you for your help today. You were so kind.
You're welcome. Please come again. Have a nice day. Wow! You did so great today. We practiced English for shopping, and you stayed with us until the end. I'm really proud of you.
Yes. Every small step is big progress. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning, you are growing.
Friends, I have a little homework for you. Please write one short English sentence about shopping in the comments below. Like, I bought a red t-shirt. It will make you remember faster.
And don't forget to subscribe. So tomorrow you can join us in day 3. We'll keep learning together step by step.
Thank you, friends. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.